So, Jeffrey, you have a computer now, huh?
Gusto en conocerte. Juguemos y aprendamos juntos. Welcome to this interesting game. You will enjoy your time here with me.
Cool. Wow. Look at that.
It's a little pointy.
Yeah, is it a little pointy one?
Ah, it's real sharp.
Are you going to play guitar when you get big? Can you be a guitar player or a bass player?
A bass player. A bass player. A bass player. Need a bass player. Need a bass player. Need a bass player. The bass player. Bass.
What's this, Jeffrey? What are we making? We're making snow ice cream.
Wow!
Yeah.
I got my show. Yeah. I got cold. Cold. Here's a gold master. Here's a show.
Oh, thank you.
Here's a show.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you, Mommy.
Oh, thank you.
No! More show.
I know.
Here's master.
Oh, thank you.
Enough nice nap? No. That one. Whoa! That one. See. Hey! Did we finish? Just going to open.
Yeah. What else can your castle do?
Castle's not opening. Want to open it? Wow. Whoopee. He's a crane. He's a dinosaur crane. Or this one. Pull it. He turns around. Whoa! 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 He's there. Oh, whoa! Whoopee!
Let me try that again,
We're
okay?
gonna take a picture.
Yeah, all right. Can you say happy birthday, Grandma Ballard?
Happy birthday, Grandma Ballard.
Oh, that's perfect.
We're gonna take a
It's a nice spring day, huh, buddy? Snow's melting. Sort of our first time wanting to go outside this spring. Yeah, look at that.
acorn.
Yeah. Yeah, how do you play sand? Yeah? All right.
Sandcastle.
Yeah. How do you take that off? Oh, very good. You did it. Yeah.
Cheese and trail mix.
Cheese and trauma. Cheese and trauma. Horned egg.
Yeah, we're coloring eggs.
What's that?
What color do you want next?
Yellow.
You want to put an egg in the yellow?
Yes. I put. Yeah. The way bro. It's a while. Let's put on this one.
Where do you want to put it?
And blue.
Okay.
And normal. And green.
Oh, good.
And purple.
All right.
Ooh, the one bro eat them.
Yeah, when we're all done, we're going to eat them. Okay, hold on. Wait. Put that back. That one needs to dry. Now we just have to wait.
I want to make one. Let's put an egg in there. Let's put an egg in there.
We have to wait. We're not ready.
The Easter Bunny hide.
Yeah, the Easter Bunny's going to hide the eggs. Yeah. Okay, get that basket. Where do those eggs go? Oh, oh, look.
Whoa.
Here, hold this basket.
Whoa.
Let's go. Where did these eggs go? Is there a trail?
Yeah.
The Easter Bunny was here. Oh, what's inside?
There's another egg.
Oh, look, there's another egg.
Whoa.
Here, put it in the basket. Grab your basket. Is there another egg? Look over here.
Whoa. Whoa.
Oh, we dropped the egg.
All
All right.
something. Wow, 2 eggs. And
Where did these eggs go?
whoa. Whoa. We can.
What else is in here? Where did the eggs go? What's this?
Something.
Whoa!
Something.
Look, do you see an egg in the bathtub?
Yeah. Bathtub. So.
Oh, you need some help?
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll take the touch. Oh, look at all these fans. All these fans. Look at all these fans. And little bosses. And little cords.
Yeah?
Look at it. Look at it. I'm going to take a flashlight and take a peek. Hey.
Where's my ice cream?
You want to do another one? You want to do this one again? You want to do this one? Okay.
5-year mission to explore strange new worlds, seek out new life, new civilizations, boldly go where no one.
Alright, let's put in the coins, okay? Alright. Alright, now you can push that button. Oh, you did it. Nicely done. Yeah. When the ball comes down, you try to get it so that it doesn't go in. There you go.